Content comes in many forms. The most common formats are video and text, but audio in the form of podcasts is also quite common. Let's explore how we can transition between different forms of content. The Helse site has a blog where we want to promote our latest podcast episode. Let's see how we can use QNTM Connect to bridge the audio into text. First, we create a new blog post. Let's set the title and then go to the Meta tab. Here we can see the podcast audio field. Let's add the source of that podcast into the field. Once it's in place, we can use QNTM Connect to automate content entry. In QNTM Connect, we have a scenario which uses OpenAI to transcribe the audio into text, summarize and store it. In the first step, we'll watch for any new blog posts being published. In the next step, we try to download the podcast audio. If it doesn't exist, nothing is done. But if that field does have a file, then we continue first transcribing it using Whisper. Next, it's summarized into long and short form and finally updated into Ibexa DXP. Let's run this scenario for our example case. The file is found and it's now being transcribed into text. Next, it's being summarized and finally stored into Ibexa DXP. When we return to the editing view, we can see the content is now populated based on the audio. In the Meta tab, our podcast audio has been removed because we're only using it once. The SEO title and description have been updated. This will enable the content to be found using text-based search as well. We can also preview the blog post in the editor. Here we can see we're missing an image, so let's add one. We'll select an image from the media library and preview again. Now it looks great. Our blog post is ready to go. This was an example of how you can take a form of media and then transform it into another one for promotion. In this case, from audio to a promotion in text form.